What is the world's first AI-powered contact lens introduced in 2025? The options are A. iLens, B. SmartView, C. Expansio Smart Lens. The correct answer is Expansio Smart Lens. Which smart ring company launched the AI health companion Aura Advisor in 2025? The options are A. Aura, B. Fitbit, C. Samsung. The correct answer is Aura. The 2025 invention called Skywell can generate what from air? The options are A. Wi-Fi, B. Clean water, C. Oxygen. The correct answer is clean water. Which tech company released an AI pet robot called Aibo 2.0? The options are A. Sony, B. LG, C. Tesla. The correct answer is Sony. EcoBrick 2.0 is a 2025 invention made from which recycled material? The options are A. Rubber, B. Plastic waste, C. Glass. The correct answer is plastic waste. Which invention uses brain signals to control smart devices? The options are A. BrainBridge, B. Neuralink, C. ThoughtWave. The correct answer is Neuralink. What AI tool launched in 2025 creates videos from text prompts? The options are A. Canva AIs, B. Gemini Vision, C. Dreamreel. The correct answer is Canva AIs. Which innovation translates thoughts into text? The options are A. Daywave EEG Translation AI, B. OpenAI Whisper, C. Neurotalk. The correct answer is Daywave EEG Translation AI. What's special about the 2025 product, Xskin? The options are A. Self-healing fabric, B. Color-changing fabric, C. Glow-in-dark clothing. The correct answer is self-healing fabric. Which startup introduced AI-powered farm drones for aerial pollination in 2025? The options are A. Nico Robotics, B. Arugga, C. Skybee Synergy. The correct answer is Skybee Synergy. Which 2025 AI tool can create full music tracks from a simple text prompt? The options are A. Doll Pointy Audio, B. Suno AI, C. Meta Music Gen. The correct answer is Suno AI. Which 2025 invention allows shoes to charge phones while walking? The options are A. Hermes Charging Shoes, B. Power Step, C. Step Volt. The correct answer is Hermes Charging Shoes. FoldX is a breakthrough in what field? The options are A. Protein design and stability prediction, B. Foldable phones, C. Foldable TVs. The correct answer is protein design and stability prediction. Solar silk is a 2025 invention used in which industry? The options are A. Solar energy harvesting, B. Fashion textile industries, C. Home architecture. The correct answer is fashion textile industries. Which app uses AI to turn text or speech into sign language with a virtual avatar? The options are A. Hand Talk, B. Vision Talk, C. Sign Reality XR. The correct answer is Hand Talk. Which device helps blind people see using audio feedback? The options are A. Echovision, B. Orcam My Eye, C. Voice Guide. The correct answer is Orcam My Eye. Which country built the world's first full-scale wireless EV charging road? The options are A. Sweden, B. Germany, C. South Korea. The correct answer is Sweden. Which innovation turns old plastic waste into durable road material? The options are A. Plasticrete, B. Macreba, C. Recycrode. The correct answer is Macreba. Which 2025 wearable tracks hydration levels in real time using sweat analysis? The options are A. Nix Hydration Patch, B. H-Drop Gen 2 Sensor, C. LVL Wristband. The correct answer is H-Drop Gen 2 Sensor. Which 2025 battery breakthrough can charge to 80% in just 5 minutes? The options are A. Store.xfc, B. QuantumScape Solid State, C. Sodium-ion battery, Cattle Shengxing. The correct answer is sodium-ion battery, Cattle Shengxing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to Fajura IQ for more fun quizzes.